Certified aerospace materials arrive under strict security protocols. Every shipment is documented before entering production. Each shipment is verified against aerospace production records. Only approved materials enter manufacturing. Heavy aerospace materials require controlled handling. Every load follows strict safety procedures. Heavy aerospace materials require controlled handling. Every load follows strict safety procedures. Every component receives digital traceability. Inventory control begins before production starts. Dimensional accuracy is verified before machining. Only certified material advances to manufacturing. Production begins with carefully scheduled machining operations. Every component follows a planned workflow. Computer-controlled machining begins removing excess material. Precision starts at the micron level. Computer-controlled machining begins removing excess material. Precision starts at the micron level. Every machined part undergoes dimensional verification. Inspection prevents errors from progressing. Precision finishing removes the final microns of material. Each surface must meet aerospace tolerances. Large aluminum panels form the helicopter's structural framework. Automated machining ensures consistent accuracy. Large aluminum panels form the helicopter's structural framework. Automated machining ensures consistent accuracy. Weight reduction is engineered into every structural component. Each rib balances strength with efficiency. Every edge is refined before assembly begins. Smooth surfaces improve structural reliability. Cleaning removes contaminants left during machining. Only perfectly clean parts continue forward. Cleaning removes contaminants left during machining. Only perfectly clean parts continue forward. Composite materials require controlled storage conditions. Temperature management preserves material quality. Digital cutting minimizes material waste. Every layer matches the engineering design. Composite strength depends on precise fiber orientation. Every layer is placed by engineered sequence. Multiple composite layers build structural strength. Air removal improves bonding quality. Vacuum sealing prepares the composite for curing. An airtight enclosure is essential. Pressure stability is verified before curing. Uniform vacuum improves laminate quality. Pressure stability is verified before curing. Uniform vacuum improves laminate quality. Heat and pressure permanently bond the composite layers. The curing cycle transforms flexible material into rigid structure. The composite shell has reached full structural strength. It now advances to finishing operations. Final trimming produces the exact fuselage profile. Precision cutting prepares the shell for assembly. Laser inspection confirms geometric accuracy. Every surface is digitally verified. Individually manufactured components now converge. Primary airframe assembly is ready to begin. The helicopter's primary structure is aligned with micron-level precision. This marks the beginning of final airframe assembly. The first titanium bulkhead establishes the helicopter's internal structure. Laser alignment ensures every frame is positioned accurately. The first titanium bulkhead establishes the helicopter's internal structure. Laser alignment ensures every frame is positioned accurately. Internal frames distribute structural loads throughout the airframe. Each installation follows a predefined assembly sequence. Longitudinal stringers strengthen the fuselage shell. Every joint contributes to structural rigidity. Every structural connection undergoes quality verification. Inspection confirms assembly integrity. The cockpit floor provides the foundation for future flight controls. Each panel is carefully aligned before fastening. The internal floor structure connects the forward and rear cabin. Precision measurements maintain assembly accuracy. Pressure bulkheads strengthen critical areas of the fuselage.
Their position is verified before permanent fastening.
Check the laser alignment on mount 4B. Looks good. All parameters verified. Proceed with the installation.
Instrument supports provide rigid mounting locations. Proper fastening prevents vibration during operation.
The landing gear bay is integrated into the primary structure. Reinforcement distributes landing loads safely. Permanent fastening completes the landing gear compartment. Every connection is digitally recorded. Protective conduits prepare the airframe for electrical systems. Each route follows the engineering layout.
Hydraulic lines are routed before major equipment installation. Each bend matches the digital engineering model.
The first electrical harnesses connect the helicopter's internal systems. The airframe is now ready for major mechanical installation. The transmission deck supports the helicopter's primary drive system. Its position is verified before permanent fastening. The rotor mast support transfers flight loads into the airframe. Every fastener is electronically verified. Engine mounts distribute mechanical loads throughout the structure. Alignment is critical before engine installation.
The first power plant is positioned with controlled precision. Engine alignment ensures efficient power transfer.
Both engines are secured within the airframe. Balanced installation supports reliable operation. The gearbox combines engine power for rotor transmission. Accurate alignment minimizes vibration.
Drive shafts transfer engine power through the transmission. Each connection is checked before rotation testing.
Fuel tanks are integrated into protected sections of the fuselage. Every connection is carefully documented. Fuel delivery lines are routed before system testing. Proper installation supports reliable engine operation. Hydraulic systems power essential flight controls. Every connection undergoes torque verification. Electrical distribution supplies power throughout the aircraft. Every cable follows a documented routing plan. The avionics bay houses essential electronic equipment. Rigid mounting protects sensitive systems. Flight computers coordinate multiple onboard systems. Each module is installed in a protected environment. The rotor mast forms the central rotating shaft. Alignment is verified before final fastening. The rotor hub completes the helicopter's primary drive assembly. The next stage prepares the aircraft for flight surfaces and rotor systems. Rotor blades begin as lightweight aerospace composite materials. Every batch is verified before manufacturing starts. Fiber orientation determines blade strength and flexibility. Each layer follows the engineering design. Honeycomb cores reduce weight while maintaining stiffness. Composite layers completely enclose the structure. Controlled heat and pressure cure the composite blade. The process creates a strong, lightweight structure. Final trimming produces the exact aerodynamic profile. Precision cutting prepares each blade for balancing. Balanced rotor blades reduce vibration during flight. Measurements are corrected to exact specifications. Each rotor blade is installed individually. Torque values are verified before proceeding. The complete rotor system is assembled with precise alignment. Blade tracking is confirmed before testing. The tail boom extends the helicopter's structural framework. Alignment is confirmed before permanent joining. Permanent fastening integrates the rear airframe. Every structural joint is electronically recorded. The tail drive shaft transfers power to the rear rotor. Alignment minimizes mechanical vibration. The tail gearbox redirects engine power to the rear rotor. Proper installation supports directional control. Tail rotor blades are installed with equal precision. Balanced rotation is essential for stable flight. Dynamic balancing reduces vibration during operation. Each adjustment is measured electronically. Mechanical assembly is now largely complete. Attention shifts to mission systems and the presidential interior. Flight instruments are installed on vibration-isolated mounts. Every connection is verified before system integration. Shielded communication systems are integrated into the aircraft. Cable routing follows documented engineering layouts. Reinforced protective panels are fitted within the cabin structure. Each panel is measured before final fastening.
Precision glazing is installed with uniform sealing pressure. Every window is inspected before curing.
Door assemblies are aligned for precise operation. Movement is tested before interior installation. Interior insulation improves comfort and reduces vibration. Each panel is fitted to exact dimensions. Cabin furnishings are installed after structural work is complete. Every fixture is securely integrated into the airframe. Interior finishing completes the presidential cabin. Surface quality is inspected under controlled lighting.
Multiple coating layers protect the aircraft's exterior. Controlled application ensures a consistent finish. The exterior finish is inspected for uniformity. Coating thickness is digitally verified.
Integrated systems are verified before flight evaluation. Diagnostic software checks every major subsystem.
Controlled rotor testing verifies mechanical performance. Sensor data confirms stable operation.
The completed helicopter undergoes its final production inspection. Approval confirms manufacturing standards have been met.
The manufacturing process concludes with final delivery preparation. Months of precision engineering are reflected in the completed aircraft.